Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Flex. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Flex won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty battery or a defective display connection. If left unrepaired, you risk further damage to the internal components, which could lead to more costly repairs down the line. In this video, we will guide you through the diagnosis and repair process step by step. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery, and a new display if necessary. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the HP Flex. Be cautious as you work around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery. It is usually secured with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it will need to be replaced. Carefully lift it out and replace it with the new one, ensuring the connector is firmly attached. If the display is also malfunctioning, locate the display cable, which is usually near the top edge of the device. Disconnect this cable gently before removing the display by unscrewing the hinges. When installing the new display, make sure to connect the cable securely and check that it sits properly in place. As you close up the device, ensure that all screws are replaced and that the back cover fits snugly without forcing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you do not expose your device to extreme temperatures and avoid overcharging the battery. Regularly check for software updates, as they can help maintain your device's performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.